Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae Grammy winner Buju Banton has released a remix bundle for his chart In a Decade Upside Down 2020. The Dave Kelly produced Blessed has a 4-track remix bundle that features the likes of rappers Fabulous and Jadakiss, plus Faruq and Patoranking.
I know what we've been through. Y'all know where we come from.
Blessed is a powerful, urgent and passionate song which has resonated in the hearts and the minds of many as a reminder of hope. Blessed has gained over 3 million. He launched his first line of merchandise inspired by the album, which is available exclusively for purchase on his online store. Now, Smirnoff Fame Frequency Party Pitch winners, they're gearing up to give viewers the ultimate virtual party experience tomorrow with Step Out. The 90s dancehall themed event will see the Party Pitch winners bringing their idea to the big screens and the Fame Frequency airwaves.
Okay, so Step Out, the whole 90s concept really came from the fact that university students don't really have that 90s dancehall played at parties because they just get soaked on the era dancehall. So when we want to do this party pitch, we want to promote something different. You know, we want to bring something different to our university students as well as the Fame Frequency audience. You know, 90s dancehall, why wouldn't you not love 90s dancehall? You know, it's just all about the vibe, the colors, the zing, everything. Just turn it all the way back, and that's where we want that difference, you know?
Now, Step Out will feature the DJs Narity, the Captain Colin Hines, King Taj, and DJ Deli. Brand manager Smirnoff Jamaica, Rashima Kelly, also gave details on the event.
I'm really proud of this project because it is giving, you know, aspirational promoters an opportunity to execute their very own party online. The winners of the competition, they were announced since August 29, and we have been in planning and production mode since with the UE Marketing Association team with their very own virtual party Step Out.
The event kicks off at 9 o'clock on RETV and 10 p.m. right here on TVJ. Stepping Out tomorrow. Hope to see you. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.